Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of April the 22nd through the 28th, 2022. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's. We have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store before you copy my deals. If you have any suggestions for deals you want to do, go ahead and leave those in the comments, or any questions about anything that I talk about here. I will have my shopping list in the description box below, as well as any videos that I might talk about, so definitely click that if you're interested. First off, I wanted to let you guys know that I wanted to do that spend 20, save $10, but my scenario just was not working out because of the items in stock at my store. So I was going to grab the Finish at $9.99, 2 boxes of Blue Bunny, and then I had some chips that I was going to grab and some cottage cheese singles. They were out of the Finish and the cottage cheese, so I just had to scrap that deal. I may go back on Sunday and see if they have things in stock and grab it then. If I grab that deal, I will share with you guys on Sunday, but there's a lot of good offers. I just couldn't complete my deal, and I couldn't come up with anything that had good coupons that would make it a good deal. So sometimes you just have to scrap your deals in store and either go back another time or just forget about it. So that's what happened there, but there definitely are some good deals to be had with that scenario. All right, so this turned out to be a really good deal. You can do this twice a month on Swag Bucks. They're 2 for $5. You get back 500 Swag Bucks. Makes them free, but Checkout 51 has $1 back. So that makes that a little $2 money maker. We already talked about that unfortunate scenario there. It's a really good deal, guys. I just, you can't really help it when your store's out of stock and there's nothing to substitute to make it a good deal. So maybe that Ibotta offer for the Blue Bunny will pop up this weekend. I don't know, guys. I have a feeling, but I don't know. If it does, you guys can message me on Instagram or comment, because I do check my YouTube comments every day, just to let me know in case I miss it. Cracker Barrel, they are $1.50 on Ibotta. I have a weekend bonus that I was working towards, as well as a larger bonus that I'm closing in on. So it's kind of like a filler. Same thing with the Breakstone, another filler. It's $1.30 back on Ibotta. It's not the cheapest deal for sure, but if you need little fillers. And guys, I did find these for my mother-in-law. They were $1.80. There is so much laundry clearance. Guys, I should have taken pictures. My kids were going a little crazy in the store today. Not in the best shopping mood, so, I just was rushing through. But there was so much, guys, so much. Nothing that I needed. I grabbed these for my mother-in-law. Last week, there was nothing on the shelf, and they restocked it. So if you check last week, check again. But my mother-in-law is excited about this. This is her brand, $1.80. Guys, I saw huge things of Tide pods for, one was $13, and the other was $15. The $13 was out of stock, but the $15 ones are there. I think we had $3 digitals. So if you need any laundry detergent, check out that aisle. The water, this is the 5-point freebie this week. This is in the beverage where the sodas and the water is. There was this one, and there was a couple other ones, but they weren't popping up as being part of the 5-point freebie. I did post on my Instagram which ones are working, or you can check for yourself in the app. But this is a tangerine extract or whatever, so I don't know. I don't really like oranges, but maybe that'll be good. But that's the 5-point freebie. I saw this older woman standing there on her phone. I thought she was like texting. And so I grabbed that, and then I put stuff in my cart, and I was looking what the next thing on my list to do. And she huffed at me, looked at me, and walked away. Like, I didn't know she was going to grab that, but okay. So I think I made someone kind of angry at the store today because I grabbed the last bottle. All right, so the salads, if you redeem for this was 45 choice points last week. It's no longer available. There is an offer this week for biscuits. It's like 75 points, which is kind of dumb in my opinion. But they do have 200 points for fried chicken. So I redeemed that offer, but I'm going to grab it some other time. You have until like May 14th or something. So always check and see if there's any point offers that you can redeem for. I also wanted to mention, guys, I don't know what's going on with the whole chicken and egg thing. You've been seeing things on the news and on things like that about this avian flu. It looks like they're showing COVID pictures, like propaganda pictures. I don't know. I don't want to get into an argument, but I'm not sure what else is going on. But it's better to be safe than sorry. If your family eats chicken, I would recommend, if you have the extra $8, $9, grabbing a pack of chicken, cutting it up, and freezing it, just so you're good on chicken. I think they say it takes 3 months for chicken population to be able to be butchered again. So Just a little FYI, you might want to do that if you have some extra money. The Kellogg's, $1.99. There's $1 off a 2 printable from Kellogg's Family Rewards. I will put that video down below if you want to know how to do that. It's a little tricky. So it makes those, and then Ibotta has $1 back on the Froot Loops and on the Frosted Flakes. So that was pretty great. Let's see, $2 or 99 cents a piece, or maybe 97 because they're $1.99. Sorry guys, I forgot to write that down. The Cheez It Puffed, these guys are 2 for $4 if you use your in-ad coupon. And then when you buy 2, you get back $1.50 Catalina. I think if you only buy 1, it's only 50 cents. I have a video on how to get Catalinas to print from Giant because sometimes they're tricky, so I'll try to put that down below. And then Ibotta has 50 cents back on both, $1.50 or 75 cents a piece. Sorry guys, I'm like motor mouth today, trying to go really fast. You can slow me down if you need to. So this last deal I did in separate transactions, separate cards. Buy 3, save $3 instantly. The Nutrigrain are 2 for $5. There's another $1 off a 2 printable from the Kellogg's Family Rewards website. And then the Dawn is $2.99. In my best deals video, I told you the Dawn Easy Squeeze is supposed to be the same price and there's $1 digital. However, online, it is not showing up as being part of that offer. So I didn't want to risk it. I didn't want to have to deal with customer service. That's never fun. So I did not do that. If you want to do that and risk it and then go to customer service and tell them it's pictured in the ad and it didn't work, feel free to do so. Comment down below if you had to go to customer service or if it came off at the register. But online, it was not working. So with buying this regular Dawn, there's a 50-cent digital, making it $3.49 for all 3. So just like $1.20 maybe a piece. Less than that. It's cheap enough. All right, and then the Lay's, 2 for $5, but you must buy 2 of them to get them at that price point. And then again, the Dawn with the 50-cent digital. I did contact Frito-Lay. They sent me $1 off of 1 and a 55-cent off of 1. That one doesn't double, but it's still okay. It makes it a pretty great deal. $2.94 or only 98 cents for all 3. Really great. I do have a video, if you haven't seen it yet, of all the brands that have mail me coupons this year. It's pretty great, and I will be including those coupons in future hauls. So you might want to do that so you have the coupons to do the deals that I do too. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.